new style, flaws about her day. She's sweet as pearls, it's your girl. Inspire you in every way. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world, it's your girl.
Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. I'm your girl V-La-Nessa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by, and I encourage you to like this video even though you don't know what's coming on. I don't know, but just like the video.
I didn't understand that.
Because we're not talking to you. Big spin off, you see? No, she enough. So anyway, yes, like the video and share it to your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribe, join the fam. The fact that you're here and you actually reached this far, even though just a couple seconds, just subscribe, because it will be fun over here. So I just come to give you an update as it relates to everything that's going on, because I know you all have been following on and you want to know what's up, especially with the barrel. I want to know what's up with the barrel. So last week I had called the shipping company in Florida, and they said that it would have reached Jamaica yesterday, which was Monday. I just think that the person whom they ship it would never bring it to the people them in time, and they never ship it off in time, because there's no way it should take almost 2 months to reach here. That doesn't make no sense, because I shipped it from the 6th of December and now it's the 21st of January. That doesn't make no sense, right? So I called the agency out here this morning and they said that the shipment reached last night. So I may ask them how long they're going to take to clear it. Them, so them don't know. So I figured more than less I'm going to give them 2 days and then call them back. Today I felt like I wanted to go on the road, like go somewhere, like, I don't know, just go somewhere, because I'm so bored. And I actually pulled out my hair last week, as you know, see, wash it, and then just rock it natural for now. I don't know how long this natural hair is going to stay on me, because I don't like combing my hair. I might just go and buy hair and do it myself, or make Tashana do it. And I need to wash the car, because the other day I was skating on the toll and the bugs them and so forth just dead on the car, and I don't like how it look. And there's a sound that I don't like, so I need to bring it to the mechanic to let them see what's up. So I think that I'm going to do that today. I need to buy Shamar and those stuff. I'm around to wash the car, because if you follow me, I'll wash that car every day, because I don't like to see when it's dirty. I vacuumed in there the other day. It's clean inside, but it's just outside. I don't like when outside looking like that. But I was thinking something. You know that food here is expensive. So say for instance, I'm going to buy breakfast, lunch and dinner, and then do that again the other day. It's going to cost me probably, I don't know, it depends on the food and it depends on the restaurant. Like if you want like really good food, like if you want to go to a restaurant, probably costs about, for all those meals, probably costs about 20-something thousand. So I was saying, why not just do an all-inclusive hotel? Go to an all-inclusive hotel for a day or two and pay, because Rio is for $25,000. I don't know if, yeah, that's what I didn't really go deep into it, but based on what I've seen, it's $25,000 per day. If I go there in the morning, I can get lunch or breakfast, because check in early, get breakfast, get lunch, get dinner, and then in the morning wake up again and I get breakfast and lunch and I can leave. Not only that, you get to enjoy the beach, you get to have other activities that you enjoy, you get to like go on a little vacation with food. So that's why I'm gonna just do that, instead of me just want to go to like a food place here and there and whatever. So but might as well just go to an all-inclusive hotel and enjoy, soak up the sun, have a little activities and here and there. And even if I don't want to do any activities, just lay on the beach, or even though I don't like beach, but just lay on the beach and eat food, and you have entertainment there. Because one thing with Rio, if you watch my last video, you'll see how fun it was. They always have entertainment and always have night stuff and so forth. So I think it would be definitely worth it for me to just take like a 2-day or so. What do you think? Go by myself and just enjoy myself, right? Yeah, that's what I think too. Anyway, I'm not going to start off this vlog by just chatting, because I always do that. So I'm going to come back to you when, and guys, tell me if you don't like this fit. It's my yard clothes, but I was thinking that maybe I shouldn't wear this in the yard. I used to wear it out, but no, I just put it on, because I really, when I'm going out, I don't like when clothes too tight for me. So I like it when it kind of loose right here. So yeah, this is the best thing about driving. So I was about to do my tour myself, and then I realized my foot was scrub. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just jump in the car and just run go with up. And I change my clothes. Only thing I change on the shorts. So that's a little good thing, because ever since I know what it was, if I ever since when I business, I'm just grab all my shorts, jeans shorts. That's all me change, cause the white pants they just down on a dirty place. So I don't want to wear that. And then even my Crocs, same Crocs, it's me I wear. I might just put the white Nike in the car just in case I have to leave the car after I do my nails, my toe. And then my foot one rocks. So I might just go pick up some few stuff. So I'm gonna just bring this with me just in case. But yeah, greatest feeling, you know, I feel worry about nobody as you, because in a car, you know, take the taxi, so you just bring on anything and then when it looks so bad anyway. Come here, I don't even remember the time, but I know wasn't too late. And then when I came to the nail salon, I was the only one there. She literally never have no customers. And then I told her that I want my toe to be done, and she prepared the water, and she put me in the area where you do the foot, and she saw my foot. Somebody else walk in and say they want for them to do, and I asked if they can still get to do it. So I don't know what the conversation was, but I was literally around there like 30 minutes, going on to 40, without she come back and look at my foot. I'm here scrub people them toe and something. I said no man, this not right. Like if even if you're going to do that, I think you should have come to me and say, hey, I go do this, so let me know. Till all the water get cold, like that irritate me. Now say she not do a good job, she do it in about like then look at something, then look at things. The customer service is not only about talking, it's about how you deal with the customers and so forth. I believe like if Jamaica was like a tip based place, people that do take pride in their work. Because there's no way you can let me sit down in the chair if you soak my foot for so long and the water get cold. Like that don't make no sense. But she realized because I get up and I go to her and I say, listen, you remember me? And she said she soon come. And she realized I'm upset because I go there with a very good spirit and suppose me have like something to do. Because if I didn't go there and like it is busy and I know so I couldn't wait, but I leave. But the fact that I go there and there's no one there, I expect to get through fast. You understand? I don't like that part of it. Like, I don't like it. Take pride in your work. So today is Saturday and I'm gonna go out later. I'm gonna go to the yard later. I think that's in Maypen. If I don't get it right, I'll let you know later what's the right name. And then I'm going to the lot tomorrow night. So today, the kids over there, the one that's always by my side, the two little dog chocolate girl them, yeah, one of them birthday today. And they had asked, well, she had asked me from last week if I could bring her out, she and her friend and her sister. And I'm like, why not? I'm here not doing anything anyway, so I'm gonna bring them. Make sure to tell them so they better have their money. And then I'm gonna go to church tomorrow. And then another girl, a girl that I met on the program, but she was doing J1. Her name is Komiko. She was coming from the place that I was coming from. Because we wanted to link up, and she said that she have a friend that having birthday tomorrow, and they're gonna go to the lot tomorrow. She was telling me from the other day. I'm like, okay, sure thing. So I'm gonna go with her. But right now, I'm gonna comb my hair. I got up from 6 this morning. I clean. Even though the bed said like that, because I'm working in the bed. I clean. I looked about breakfast. I went out by the road and I bought something from the hardware to paint the solid that I'm gonna put around the back. So I paint that because it's gonna be hard to paint it when it's up. So I paint it beforehand. It's like 118. So I'm just gonna comb my hair and tie it because I don't wanna wear the wig. Tomorrow I'm going to wear the wig, not right now. So tomorrow I'll wear the wig. Tonight I comb my hair. My hair is so dry and I feel like the barrel is stressing me out, honestly. Like I cannot buy nothing because not say I cannot, I can, But it doesn't make sense for me to buy anything because everything is in the barrel, like hair products and so forth. I can't even treat my hair, nothing. Like, me literally have to beg my neighbor some oil, and she gave me castor oil, and it don't know. Shampoo, thank God me have shampoo left back here. Lotion, I had to buy baby lotion, almost done. And then we have baby oil for my left here. I have some other little lotion like Bath and Body Works stuff and so forth. But I don't really like using them like that much. And I did bring my cologne in my suitcase, so that's good. But no man, a time now for the barrel. People don't call me. Time now. So yeah, I just wanna update you today. That's what I'm gonna do. Like, my hair drop off so much. Drop off so much. I don't even have gel when we use this. And I didn't want to use this now because it's a very good gel for edges. And I didn't want to use it. So I'm going to slip back my hair and bun it. And this is how I'm going to wear it tonight. I have a nice little cute outfit that I'm planning to wear. It's like an oversized jeans and this nice corset top that I got from Forever 21. And Bridget's this silver slippers and a nice bag. That's what I'm going to wear. So whenever I'm ready, I'll let you see. Guys, me tell them say if they want me to carry them, they better be on time. It is 4:59 and them over here from 4:58. Goals allow that. They mean business. They said that they will be ready and they're outside. So let's go. Yes? Wanna make sure ready? You know some would have left for now. Eh? You make sure ready? Happy birthday. What in and watch in and lashes and weird things I think you hot? Take off the tag off of your clothes.
My shit.
It's not a picture. The server just come and say, "Oh no, I want water." You know, they will say, "Hi, good day."
No, if you think that it's so ghetto.
I can't believe you just say, "Oh no, I want water." You know what you
No, you just come and
you just say, "Oh no, I want water."
No, picture like.
Like, that is so foreign to me. That's why I say, "Are you our server?" Because me say. But so even if you're supposed to impress people work, but we're at the yard and we like the setting. It look nice. The setting is nice. Yeah. And up here is so cool. Like come at the 5 o'clock at the perfect time, 6 o'clock perfect time. Probably if you come in the day, it's a too hot.
Yeah,
It's too hot, but we really like it. It's a nice vibe. So for big parties, you come upstairs, and then for the like 1 and 2, you go downstairs.
Yeah, walk down.
Then over there, so you have like a bar where you can slow.
I feel like go over there and tell them, so you hear in the music board, you can't track.
Honestly, me annoyed him.
Yeah,
He come like him no one day here. I understand. Exactly like him. He like him. I understand. If you ever get the order wrong, you say, sure. The place is too nice to have them kind of service here. Me say come like him don't want like a him own a company or whatever, so he can do whatever he wants. You not even take a menu. If you order take the food and not take the menu. I swear, I'm so annoyed. Hopefully food tastes good.
I heard you good with them soft lips. Yeah, you know word of mouth. The square root of 69 is 8 something.
We finally get our food and the drinks come like 5 minutes after the food come. A dead for thirst.
In the nighttime, yeah. Okay, away we go.
This is tasty too. It's a great. The food not bad still, but the service sucks. How much do you rate the yard?
Me first.
Wait, do we want another light?
Yeah, turn on every light. Calm down.
Which star?
Which star? No,
With number. With number, man.
Very first.
Wanna?
You first, Martina. No, me first.
Wanna?
1.
You're too wicked.
No, that's a lie.
That's a lie. You're too wicked.
Presentation. The presentation was.
Alright, the presentation no one.
Was
We
not
understand
ready.
that, right?
The beef dry, it's like bun, and the cheese, it just
Down to the
cold.
cheese, you read?
Yeah. The bun, it should have been like the beef.
Alright.
Alright, so what about the service?
The service is 0.
0. You know, like one, more stab him in the head.
You're so vile. You're so vile.
And the burger, I think it are bigger, so that is a 1. The fries, the too salty, that is a 1.
The master book push down.
And the service?
Then
The
I
service 0. 0.
You? What should I?
Okay, so me now. The food is not bad, but the beef is dry and it come like a bun me I eat. And the cheese, it want melt a little bit more. It's cold. It's cold, and the man now. Oh my god.
man too sassy.
I swear that me want hold him and throw him. Because him now come with the energy where, you know.
As a server,
Yeah.
right?
Never fire him.
My turn, guys. Guys, only I'm gonna come out a restaurant and just see somebody pop up be like, "You want water?"
Just like that. No introduction.
Exactly.
No nothing.
Well, guys, I'm tell them. Presentation. Take about it.
Nothing about it. 1.
1. Presentation 1. The food alright, you know. Cause full belly, but the
belly
beef
dry.
it just look a bit dry.
Little bit.
It just look a bit dry, you know, have no moisture. The fries good and them there, they're good. But the man, him just, he don't have no umption here. The man, it was a 0.
SpongeBob, like when SpongeBob make burger. I saw it.
It's like Krabby Patty ate.
Patrick burger.
Alright, for me, my food wasn't bad, but the service, I was so annoyed. I give it a negative 1,000 for service. Honestly, like, the one, holy man choke him and say, yo, have sense. No, I'm not love.
Like real,
Me not love. How can you come to the table and say, you want water? No look hi, no look how you doing?
That's what I'm telling you, after we get the food for custody.
And then not only that, him take the order, not even take the menu. Till I want next server to come and say, you get the order?
No,
You
they
want-
ask if you're ready to order.
Exactly, it's so
Right?
annoying. And then we get the food and the drinks not come yet.
And we are like short nearly dead up there.
It annoys me. Anyway, we're going home. But the ambience is nice, and the best part of it is the music, and the drumstick never bad.
No,
Yeah,
but
but
we think
forget
I
about the
think we get
drumstick,
more
but-
money.
Yeah,
We
but
could have get
for
more,
20,000, I may expect better.
I think that's what I spend. Me now come back up here.
Anyway, signing out. Bye. Guys, as you see, the restaurant they all that. And I don't know if it's because I'm a server when I'm in the States and I give excellent service. Well, I try to. And I judge them based on that. But then the guy not even give me a little hello, good night, welcome to the yard. Like them something annoy me. And then he just come and ask if we're alright. We understand say yes. We are Jamaican and we speak patois, but not a little a flair to it. And even the kids, you could see that the kids was annoyed too. Like the service was so poor, I didn't like it. And then I don't think it's all of the servers. I just feel, or maybe I'm just in a bad mood. You know, much time I have bad mood, but I try not to make my personal life affect my work. And maybe him not get enough pay, but I feel like if him didn't give me excellence, I would have tipped him more up on top of the tip that's on the paper. Honestly, whatever you sow, you reap. So I always like to tip when it comes on to like these kind of industry. But he never did that work for it, honestly. And I never think he did worth any more tips. So I'm just leave whatever is on the paper, and that's 10%. Yeah, watch this. sorry to say, I never liked the service and need to work on that. And I promise you, you may not get it from everybody or 90% of the customers that come there, because we're all Jamaican not really accustomed to tipping. But I promise you, because the fact that Instagram have the yard at a high esteem, based on what I think it looks good, and I was so excited to go, right? The music was right, the ambience was right, like I love everything about it. But I expected that it was gonna be banging, everything was gonna be so good. If people watch the Instagram feed and all those stuff, you have people coming from all over. If some person who are accustomed to tipping come to the restaurant and then get good service, let me tell you, that great service that you give them will probably make your paycheck in that one night. So work on that. And if you're working in Jamaica and you're not giving good service, just work on that, please. Me, I'm gonna work on it. I was so annoyed. There was even 2 tables, one behind me and one in front of me, and I saw that they were also annoyed. They even called themselves and they were like, we've been waiting over an hour now and we have not received any food. And then even when the food come and them done, them still have to wait on the check till all them just go in them pocket and just go about them cash or whatever cash they have and left it on the table. Because then just I don't know. And even when I could see that the guy realized he never remember to bring the drinks come. Like the food come long before the drinks come. And I was so annoyed. Honestly, I was so annoyed. But such is life. Tomorrow again we go to the lot and see if that's going to be a better experience. Tonight I'm going to go to the lot. I'm going to meet a girl. I told you in the previous clip. We're having a birthday celebration. It is like after 7. She's coming from Stony Hill and I'm coming from Old Harbour. We're going to go into Kingston. So hopefully we meet together. What I didn't charge, and I know I should have charged it because my mind did tell me. And now me I charge the mic and this need to charge. So as soon as I'm going to the car, I'm just need to hook it up and charge them. But nevertheless, them charge fast, so that is a good thing. So I am all set, and this is what I'm wearing. If the picture come up, let me just show you. Cause let me just show you, cause so we can put it on a little bit. Yeah. So I'm just wearing this onesie and then the Bridget slippers and then my Steve Madden black bag. Just something simple. You have to be very like, you know. And then I put on a wig because I just want to look different. We put on back the wig, yes. We put it on back because we just want to look different. All week last week we have my hair slipped back, and then I'm going to do my hair this week. So don't worry, it's gonna be changed. Yeah, cause we feel like I just want like a beard or something like that. You understand? So yeah, this is the fit. This is from Shein. Hopefully, me not one bag of people tonight. Hopefully me don't have to people because one thing in the onesie hard to come off, but good thing the crotch is wide, so me can just shift it aside. The struggle is real. Like them look so good, but when they pick up use the bathroom, the struggle is real. So I'm just gonna leave out now. Yeah, and I feel good. And I look good. So let's go to the lot. I hope I have a better experience than yesterday. Like what? Yes, let's go. Everything you own in the box to the left, in the corner. morning, guys. So I am ready to go to the gym. Do I want to go? No. But because I already made a commitment to myself that I want to start gym on Monday, I got up. But the last 2 days, 2 nights, I've been on the road. And last night was a night. I actually got home I think after 1 o'clock or to 1. And you know, me her drive over and drive come up by myself. So, and then I had sing because it was R&B. See, voice gone. It was R&B, like old hits and all those stuff. And if you know me love our old hits. So I was singing out my throat and my throat kind of gone, and it hurt me, and me feel like me did, like I literally feel like I am hungover. I never really drink nothing. All I drink was what was it, Smirnoff, and the girl mix it, she no drink, and I want to go toops. So basically no Smirnoff. The Smirnoff really half all tight. Make it last. So it is 7:54 and that's gonna drive out. We're kind of late because we didn't want to go early, and I don't know if I should just go and just use the gym or just pay for the membership. But I want somebody to train me, so I might just pay for the membership, not the membership, the trainer. So I'm just gonna go now and just get that out of the day because I need to clean and probably just wash something. So I'm just gonna go and just get that out of my day. 1 hour max. So I'll be back probably about 9 o'clock because I need to stop and buy soap so I can wash that. So yeah, I wanna go. So I'm just gonna update you. Good morning. How you doing? You no good? Tell me if you're not really, really good. Tell me what happened in another life. Like, tell me if you don't have any struggles or anything so I can pray for it. Or even if, say you lack something and you write it in the comments, probably somebody will watch my video and read out the comments them. And say, you know what? Let me just do a good deed and assist you. So let me know if you're good. Me alright. I'm just away on the bar. The bar has stressed me out. So don't remind me if you call the people them today. Alright. Can you imagine it is 10:15, just a finish. I'm gonna stop now when I just come down and go to the car. It take me about 10 minutes to come down the stairs, literally. Because my foot feel me. No man, that was a hell of a workout. Like I did everything, I didn't cheat anything. The only 1 minute we couldn't do. I don't want to remember me say me have to sit right and come my bottom and all them something. Remember say me a virgin, you know. So we did that set right. So you say you're a newbie, so next time. But my foot like when I go home I have to go stretch. I cool down and everything now, but I go stretch when I go home because if I not stretch tomorrow, cannot do it, honestly. Like I literally come down the stairs and I cannot feel my leg. My leg a wobble. When we reach the third machine, I start wobble because today is like legs day and it stressed me out. So I don't pay him yet, but him send me a meal plan and all them someday. Now I'm gonna buy everything off right now because some of the stuff them there at the bar you know. And we have like fruit juice and so instead of buy like almond milk, like me not check it everything I was just glancing. But I was like, you know, some of these stuff I don't really have to buy right now. Now it's the money, so I'm gonna eat a boiled egg. I'm gonna follow the thing though. I'm gonna follow it. May not follow it to the T, but I'm gonna follow it. So yeah, we're gonna go on this fitness journey, and I actually feel good. Feel good that I do something. You understand? Do something different. Foot are paying me though. So I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna clean because we never cleaned yesterday. If you don't know me, I clean every day. Never did it yesterday and shoot, come something like buy soap. It'll never remind me though. It'll never remind me. But anyway, I'm gonna go home. Okay? Alright.
A snob is a guy that thinks he's flying this, also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So no, I don't want your number. No, I don't wanna give you mine. And no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere. No, don't want none of your time. And no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. Hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Checking me.
It was so brutal. I can't manage. I can't manage. It was so brutal and I sore, but the good thing I got a good stretch and cracked some bones. You know, like when they go chiropractor? Yeah, I did some of that. I need to get gloves because right now my hand is sore because I did like upper body, and because I have to be using the stuff with my hand, it kind of irritates me. I don't know, I can't come from my hand, so I have to see if I can find some gloves. I may just go over just because they have a store over there, the Chinese place, and I think them sell like gym stuff. I was gonna order it online, but it probably not coming in time and can't wait so long. And then probably not even worth it to order online. It's just like if you want the cute stuff, you get it online. So I'm just gonna leave now. Right now it is 9:37 and I got here like probably 8 something. Cause I know I left out like, I think I left out 8 o'clock, so 8 something. So I spent like practically maybe 1 hour and 20 minutes. Good morning guys. So today is Wednesday. Today gym starts again. I don't want to, but I'm getting up because I'm paying money, right? I don't want to, but I'm gonna go because I need to see results. So you have to keep at it. And then I think I want to go to Paul Wednesday, which is at my church. It keeps every Wednesday 11:30. So if you want to come, you can come, right? And now may have to look on some parts again. So the thing is, nothing really wrong with the car, but as I say, because we just buy the car is not for a while. We just want to ensure that everything is up and running. And then my dad and my mom supposed to come. I don't know when, but I want when them come, it up and running because I know we're going to do some long driving. So I just want everything. Alright, so there was this guy that we grew up, like our childhood, grew up best friend. If you know him, we're at a man company now, man. And I told him that I was hearing some stuff and I really like knocking or anything. It just sounds different. And I told him to drive it and he drove it. He said it's not something alarming, but what I can do is go to his alignment shop and check it out. So I told him that I went to an alignment shop already and I told him which one, and he said the one that I went to don't make no sense. I should go to his one. Alright, I trust him because as I said, somebody I really grew up with. So I went there and I got this paper and then took off some stuff that I really need, like some stabilizer bar, link rack in and tie rod in. Like if you ask me, I don't know what those are, but yeah, so those are the stuff that I need. I guess it's because I don't know it all. I don't know. I'm just a girl. I'm just telling you, so I need to get those stuff. And I like the fact that they have this sheet. I don't know if you can see, but this sheet have everything that a car would need. And then they have space that you can write on. Realize, yo, them really have them things together. Right? So it's named Campbell Wheel Alignment Center in Odaba. If you know, ever want to check out in a car, like a really detailed check, yeah, go there. So yeah. So I'm gonna drive out now and go to the gym. And I'll catch you there, okay? really vlog yesterday because since we started go to the gym, it's like we just feel like a whole man. Everything I hurt me. All the time I use the bathroom, I feel hold on and I stoop down. So to take up the camera, I just feel heavy. I need to close off the vlog too. I think I have a decent amount. I may not have a lot, but I think I have like good quality content because I did go to 2 places within the week and I did vlog those and it was fun and you guys will see it. And I do highly suggest a lot if you guys want like entertainment and so forth. Go on a Sunday night, then do old musics. Yeah, they do old music and me love old music. If you love old hits, then that crowd is for you. They also have music and drinks and so forth. So it's like a one-stop shop thing. But the thing is, on Sunday it is pretty full, and they have like standing tables, so you can eat. It's like a finger food kind of vibes. So I like it. And let me see if we can get a green light here. Yeah, so I like it and I think that you guys would like it if you go there. But it's a vibe. The yard, terrible experience. The ambience is nice and everything, so if you want to go for the ambience you can go. But for the service, poor, it sucks. The food not all that bad, but it's not all that wow. So yeah, that's what I did this week. And I've been going to the gym, and then after I started the gym, I just feel like a whole man. We go to the gym every day since Monday, and today is Thursday. I went to church yesterday and I went to church Sunday, if you guys didn't see it in the vlog. But I did go to church yesterday, which is Power Wednesday. It was a blessing. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. To take up the vlog, it feels so heavy right now. Heavy. I can't wait to feel about myself. Everything sores, especially my foot. Sore bad. But it's the price that we have to pay to get good body, right? Yeah. Off to the gym, as I told you. And guys, I used to go on with one bag of things. I used to go on with one bag of things. Like, I don't know anyone directly, but I know people that know people that I stick up, and them that have no mercy, none whatsoever. If you're thinking of running off, then this is a sign not to. Because guess what? You get more privilege when you're straight. You can go on the program, go on work and come back. Go on work and come back, as opposed to when they pick you up, you get blacklisted for 10 years and can't go work and you have to suffer out here. I mean, I say I could suffer out here still, but you know Jamaica stay. And the fact that you wanted to go to US must be a reason why you wanted to leave Jamaica. So just think about that. If you ever plan to say you can run off, I know nothing no good out here, guess what? You run off and you might get blacklisted. I'm just going to do this workout today. I'm not going to really vlog it like how I vlogged it the last 2 days, but I want to do it for like Instagram and TikTok. Yeah, I'm going to I'm not going to fill up the vlog with just pure gym content. If you don't want it, then let me know, but no, I'm not going to fill it up with just pure gym content. Green juice shot. If you drink it out.
How about this?
Green juice shot.
Wine there, me no want dead.
Apple, spinach, kale, ginger, pineapple, and cucumber. Drink it. We drink it one time.
No one.
1, 2, 3. Drink it.
I tell you, me not like the man's green something in you.
Drink it something now.
For the blue.
Drink it something. 1, 2, 3, go.
How the fuck? What is this? What is this?
This.
The taste good, brother.
I ginger strong down.
Yeah, like cry. You easy, you know.
Well,
Nah, drink no more.
you did it. You did it. My turn though. We can't drink it like you.
Nah, drink that, sir.
And the taste body like just ginger strong. You got shit tomorrow, sir?
What? I'm not working. Understand that? Sir.
You can't imagine me there gym up pump.
Yeah, you see that one on squats shit in that crush.
Woo! I was second one that.
You want them one?
I see how much I've washed out about. You drink that strong now?
Yeah, man. Cut the crosses.
Yeah, we drink it one time. Who first drink? Win nothing. 1, 2.
For real, man. Look at that.
You drink it, China. Drink it some now.
You scared me the last time, man.
Good for your belly.
Okay.
Come and keep up my car.
What it is? I
What you do with the ginger, brother?
We had an extra. We had a charge. Inside out. You had an inside out. So I got inside.
I eat cup soup at school every day.
Go.
So that no come like no ginger kill me. One and one this.
Tomorrow when this
When
shit.
I win.
Nothing. So you have come to the end of another video. I know I look like shit. Yeah, I know. I went to bed late last night and then I got up early and I went to gym. And because I didn't really edit the video to the standard that I wanted, I had to come home and edit. And even when I was editing, I realized that there was some little malfunction. I had to fix that just now. So after I came from the gym, I was just editing and then I got calls. I was on the phone. I was in between phone calls and editing videos. So yeah, I want to go somewhere tonight, maybe Summit or something. But if I do go anywhere, it will be in the next vlog. I definitely want to go and pick up my package because I have some packages that was supposed to be delivered a long time ago. But I'm going to pick it up today. It is 1:47, but I just come to close out the vlog so that I can finish, edit it, and upload it, check the copyright and all those good stuff. But I think this vlog was awesome because I went places and I brought you guys with me, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please put a thumbs up in the comment and also like the video. Like it, comment, tell me your best part of the video, anything you ask in the video, make sure to say answer. Understand, just interact with me because I really do like to interact. Listen, if you comment on my vlog, I may not reply same time, but best believe I'm going to reply. I always reply. So let's just have a conversation in a comment. You get me? Yeah. Share it to your friends and family, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.